Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at Messages from Her, a 44 card deck and guidebook celebrating modern, world-changing women by Rachael McKee, illustrations by Harley J. This is published by Andrews McNeil Publishing, and thank you so much for sending this deck my way. I am so excited. It seems wonderful. So this retails for $26.99 in the US and $35.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as some extra stuff too. So check that out if you haven't done so already. All right, so let's get into it. Real women, real stories, real inspiration. Messages from Her is a gilded, beautifully illustrated 44 card oracle deck and hardcover book created to lend power and knowledge to your daily life. The cards and correlating book contained in this box feature some of the world's most impactful women of the 20th and 21st centuries. Learn about the lives of these women, their quotes, and their successes, and invite them to guide you through your deepest challenges and invoke your most powerful strengths. May their trials, triumphs, and paths they have forged inspire you to live your most amazing life. All right, it's a pretty big box, and it is beautiful too, by the way. Oh my goodness, gilded. Okay. Oh, look at this guidebook. Hold up. That's a hardbound book. Oh, to all the women who came before me, thank you. I stand on your shoulders. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm very impressed, I must say, first of all, just with this alone. Okay, so we have an introduction, why these 44 women, who is this book and deck for, how to use it, and then we have some spreads, and then it goes into each of the cards. There are so many more amazing women role models in the world, past and present. I tried to represent a diverse group of ages, races, backgrounds, body types, and socioeconomic statuses in this first volume. I will continue to bring awareness and care to the women I feature in the future, and I am committed to representing even greater diversity in future volumes. That's so exciting. This is for everyone. Okay, how to use this book and deck. There are no rules, some card care, and then getting started. Obviously, remove the cards from their storage place. Knock on the deck. Ask for advice or guidance. Awesome. Intention settings. Using the book. All right, we've got some spreads here. 1 and done, 2 card spread, 3 card spread, the year ahead. All right, and then it goes into the cards. Oh, wow, there's lots of information. So we'll check that back out when we pick a card after the flip through. But here is the cards here. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. Oh, that is beautiful. It is a gloss, but we have these gilded little stars with a little H down at the bottom. Gilded gold edging. Love that. Okay, here we go. I'm going to zoom in just a bit. So we have the name of the woman, and then we have a keyword. Amelia Earhart, adventure. Let's talk cardstock real fast. I got too excited. It's on the thinner side, but it's not terribly thin. It's kind of nice to have that midpoint of like medium to thin thickness, if that makes sense. Snaps back just fine. I think we're going to have a great time shuffling it. I like the size too. So then let's move on to the next. We've got Anne Frank for hope. Annie Easley for intelligence. The art is great. Aretha Franklin, respect. Love. Beyonce, power. Cher, imagination. Cyndi Lauper, play. has the gilding around them too. That's fun. Diana, Princess of Wales, Heart First. Dolly Parton, Shine. Eleanor Roosevelt, Renewal. Erykah Badu with Goddess. Estee Lauder, Work For It. I will say there are no numbers on the cards, but they looked alphabetically indexed on the table of contents, so that's going to be easy to get through them to the guidebook. Frida Kahlo with Turn Inward. Georgia O'Keeffe with Slow Down. Gloria Gaynor with Love. Gloria Steinem, Feminism. Helen Keller with Feelings. Irina Sendler with Impact. Jane Addams, Equality. Jane Goodall, Animal Love. Janelle Monáe with Self Love. Julia Child, Passion. That's so cute. Julia Louis-Dreyfus with Laughter. Iconic. Hair right there. Lizzo with Transcend. Madonna, Trailblazer. Malala, Courage. Marie Curie with Knowledge. That gilding is so fun. Marie Forleo, Individuality. Marilyn Monroe with Charisma. Martha Stewart, Get It Together. Maya Angelou with Freedom. Michelle Obama, Integrity. Nina Simone, Rebel. Oprah Winfrey with Divine Channel. Patsy Mink, Independence. Queen Elizabeth II, Femininity. Rachel Carson, Earth Guardian. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Take the Lead. Sandra Day O'Connor, Come Together. Serena and Venus Williams, Sisterhood. Oh. Sylvia Rivera, Visibility. Toni Morrison, Right. Wilma Mankiller, Lend a Hand. And You, Wonderful You. Baby, it's you. All right. Lots of interesting women in here. Let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, not an issue. I do want to see how it shuffles side to side like this. Not an issue here either. Very flexible. You can bend it really nice, but it does still snap back. Okay, that one wanted to come out. But yeah, it shuffles great this way too. Okay, all right, femininity. So we're gonna go to page 86. All right. Okay, oh wow, okay, so we have the time frame as well. So 1926 to 2022. It has been women who have breathed gentleness and care into the hard progress of mankind. So meaning, femininity. It's time to help balance our masculine world with your feminine traits. All of us have masculine and feminine characteristics, and they need each other to thrive. Our world has historically been dominated by the ideals of masculine progress, but it's time for greater balance. The world is calling to the feminine for help. Where can you infuse feminine gentleness and care? Does your work or home need more presence, tenderness, and inclusion? Do you need to breathe gentleness into yourself, your body, and your own personal life? Are you trying to grow without giving yourself time to integrate your lessons, loves, heartbreaks, and successes? Are you making enough time to celebrate the progress that you do achieve? How balanced are your feminine qualities like patience, intuition, flexibility, and nurturing? Taking the time to develop these traits will benefit you and the world around you greatly. Alternate meaning, duration. Life is long. Make sure you know how to take care of yourself. Try not to take everything too seriously. You need levity to sustain your energy for the tasks at hand and to enjoy the rich life ahead of you. And then it goes into her history here. This literal queen is one for the history books. Elizabeth, who took to the throne of Britain at the age of 25, is the matriarch supreme. She was the longest serving female monarch in history. One of the most visible figures of the 20th and 21st centuries, she inspired and greatly guided not only Great Britain, but the entire globe in her 96 years of life. Elizabeth's fate was sealed when her uncle abdicated the throne, making her father the new king of the United Kingdom. From an early age, she had a great sense of duty and sensibility, which she infused into every decision of her reign. In her late childhood and teenage years, Elizabeth turned toward public service, being slowly prepared for the faraway day when she would take the throne. But her father, King George VI, died unexpectedly early, crowning Elizabeth to queendom decades before anyone expected. A pillar of consistency, Queen Elizabeth nobly navigated decades of massive change. She led the UK in its transition from a global empire to a more consolidated state and helped it move through the dramatic social and religious changes that occurred across the world during the 50s, 60s, and 70s. Elizabeth did all of this while being steadfast in her loyalty to the British people. Throughout her reign, but particularly in the 90s, she began to open up the royal family and Buckingham Palace to the public, demystifying and evolving royal life by bringing the monarchy and people closer together. The years passed, public perception ebbed and flowed, global events shook and destabilized the world around her, but Elizabeth remained steady. She served as a role model for her entire life and showed the world how much power and capability women have. She proved that femininity is a vital trait in our modern and masculine world. Elizabeth, like many women, was deeply underestimated but surpassed every expectation that was placed on her. A faithful and devoted public servant every day of her life, she carried the UK and the monarchy into the modern world with grace and dignity. Bless this woman and the world she so steadily carried, both in her heart and on her shoulders. All right. So I am very excited about this. I know that there are some people in here that are very, very popular that we do know a lot about, as well as some that maybe we don't know so much about I'm excited to learn more. I love that there's a little bio. I love that the bio is basically expanding upon the divinatory meaning as well, or the use of this deck as a empowerment tool, self-confidence tool. This is definitely a great daily pull deck. It's great for journaling. It's great to get in touch with your feminine side, regardless of how you identify. I think it's beautifully rendered. I really like the choices in here. There's like people from politics. There's people from social activism. There's people from music, TV. Like there's a lot in here that you can relate to, that you might recognize, that you know, regardless of like politics, where you stand with it, these people did make an impact in our society, in our world. So I love that there's just a bunch of different empowering women here. So I think that's great. I'm excited to get to know this a lot better. I'm excited to utilize it. I'm excited to use it as a daily pull. I'm excited that there's going to be, I'm assuming, more volumes to this, which is awesome. I think, like I said a million times, the empowerment here is fantastic. This is a great gift for anybody wanting to dip their toes into an oracle deck, as well as a gift to yourself. So I am really excited to get to know this deck. I am now interested to knowing what you guys think. Have you heard of this before? Is this something that you've seen around, or is this your first time hearing of this? Let me know all of your thoughts down below. Drop a heart emoji to let me know that you've made it this far in the video. Thank you so much to Andrews McMeal for sending this deck my way. I'm so excited, and thank you all for watching and hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.